Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM/FM radio and an 8-track. It's out of a 68 Camaro RS, looks like. And this comes from my friends at Griffin Automotive Design in Bonne Terre, Missouri. Bonne Terre is my home state, and I've actually performed in Bonne Terre quite a few times when I played in bands and stuff, so that's kind of a neat little memory. So Griffin Automotive Design has requested the internal conversion with Bluetooth and a heck of a lot more output power because the customer is going with a new harness on the radio in place of the original connector. So the power output jumps from 4 watts to 22.5 watts per speaker for up to 4 speakers for a total of 90 watts RMS or 180 watts peak. So let's go ahead and check this stuff out, make sure it all works. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I receive in my area so we can demonstrate the virtual balance and fader controls during talk radio, not get nailed for a copyright issue. So let's go. We got AM here.
This from Town Hall and Sarah Arnold. Ramping up efforts to hold.
Okay, we're going to demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions. We're first going to activate our front rear fader, so we're going to start by turning our tone control to the center. And to activate the front rear fader, you give it 2 quick turns to the right. To activate the left-right balance, you give it 2 quick turns to the left. So let's try activating the front rear fader right now.
Immigration policies will not be subsidized at taxpayer expense.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Significant
So
step in the Trump administration's ongoing battle to enforce immigration laws and uphold the rule of law nationally.
Okay.
Speaking of, 58% of voters.
Fader set.
Okay.
Trump's deportation
Left-right
program.
balance.
This from the Post-Millennial.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
CBS YouGov
All the way
poll.
left.
A majority of Americans support Trump's approach to deportation. 58%.
Center that.
Say the program to deport illegal immigrants who...
Balance set.
Okay. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Efforts and it's held.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. So we just switch over to FM here.
Do you ever have discussions?
That one. Okay, there's our FM. Let's try the 8-track.
Even Sunday.
Okay, end of the song there. Pull the tape and the radio comes back. Okay, let's make sure the dial light comes on and off, and you can just barely see it. I kind of like how it lights up FM in the center there when it's set to FM, and it lights up AM when it's set to AM. So everything's cool. She's ready to go back. I'm ready to do some packing. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And before calling me with a bunch of questions, please download and print the work order off the home page of that website. My work order already has all my options, prices, including options for turnaround time, and it'll save us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer, which keeps me on the bench where the work gets done. I don't get anything done on the phone. So I'm happy to talk to you once you've got my work order in your hand and you know my prices and stuff like that. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you to Griffin Automotive Design for your business all the way from my home state of Missouri, Bonne Terre, Missouri, and we'll see you guys next time.